Hello, welcome to Jeff's Stamps. I have quite a few arrivals, but I'm going to concentrate on the Ceylon stamps that I have received. This one here is a Queen Victoria stamp from 1872, and it's a definitive stamp. You see that? I'm having trouble with a bit of shadow there. I think that's pretty clear. So that's 1872 Queen Victoria. It's a definitive stamp and from Ceylon. See if I can adjust this a bit better. It might be a tiny bit better. Ceylon, by the way, is the former name of the island country of Sri Lanka. And Sri Lanka is located in South Asia in the Indian Ocean, southwest of the Bay of Bengal, and southeast of the Arabian Sea. And if you want a simpler explanation, you can find Ceylon, which is now called Sri Lanka, at the bottom of India, basically. Key industries: agriculture, including tea, rubber and rice, textiles, tourism, and emerging sectors there like information and technology, and also renewable energy. And Sri Lanka, used to be called Ceylon, Sri Lanka is also a significant exporter of gemstones, including sapphires, ruby, and topaz as well. So continuing with our Ceylon stamps. Postage and revenue there from 1927. Definitive. Postage and revenue, King George V. Um, 1927. $19.19, the release of this one. The definitive, postage and revenue. This one here featuring King Edward VII. 1904. It's a definitive and 3 Ceylonese cents. From Ceylon, featuring Queen Victoria. 25-cent stamp there. Issued in 1886. It's a definitive and typography is the printing. Here's another one featuring King Edward VII from Ceylon. Definitive. You can see 6 cents there, and it was released in 1903. Also King Edward VII, a definitive, and this one was released in 1908. King George V there. Definitive. Another King George V. Queen Victoria, this one released 1893. Definitive. From Ceylon. Queen Victoria, 1899. Definitive. Another Queen Victoria, 1886, this one. That's the release date. Postage revenue there. Definitive as well. Queen Victoria, Ceylon stamp. You can see the overprint. There's 2 cents overprinted over 4 cents. $1888 is the release for this one, and a definitive. King George V, war stamp. You see the 1 cent value over the 5. Released in 1918. King George V, postage and revenue there, 1912. It's a definitive. And there's a couple more here. Or King George V, these ones. So there we are. There are some stamps from Ceylon, now known as Sri Lanka. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be back again with another stamp video very soon. Bye for now.